there is an unavoidable imbalance that happens to you as a young person. It's so unavoidable, it's natural, you really cannot control it. It happens to every young person, and that is the equation of experience and time. So being a young person, you have time but you lack experience. Alright, so something happens in your journey. You begin to make mistakes, you begin to fall short of lots of things. Before you open your eyes, you're 30. Before you open your eyes, you're 40. Before you open your eyes, you're 55. Or maybe in your middle 40s, you begin to wallow in midlife crisis and stuff. So because of a lot of mistakes you accumulated in your journey, you don't have experience. So because you have a swallowing midlife crisis, thinking, wishing you have time. So one of the things I've learned being an adult is looking for legal ways to cheat on life, because life comes at you so fast. So you must intentionally cheat on life. One thing you must do is to bridge that gap. So because you don't have experience, you don't have a lot of time to make mistakes, and you must succeed, you must bridge that experience gap. And that's where mentorship comes in. You see, people think mentorship is a religious concept. Especially young people think mentorship is a religious concept. By the time we talk about mentorship, they're thinking of one pastor somewhere holding you by the hand, driving you. That's part of it. It's not even all there is to it. You need a guide as a young person in everything in every area of your life you're going to delve into. So before you take a step, you should. So mentors are simply those that have gone ahead of you, that have garnered experience. So you have time. Now you leverage on the experience and you cheat on life legally. Don't be foolish. Don't be a foolish young person. Don't be one. Especially in this country, like in this part of the world, you are disadvantaged naturally. Like by default, you are disadvantaged. You're coming from the third world. You're coming from Nigeria. You have a natural disadvantage. Don't add foolishness to it. You don't have that time. Don't do that. Don't wallow around. Don't shadow box. Don't beat the air. Don't think you know it. Go for mentorship. Get a guy. Get somebody who hold you by the hand and bear you up, so that you can get your results. Not just get your result faster.